Sanibonani, igama lami nguLaso kaMkhatshwa, uZwidekalanga uSothondoza. Ngaluza umngani the day amitha ipervert kwabe kukuluza impilo yakhe. So akuzange kube mnandi kithi mara ngiyathemba ukuthi kulabo abamamele bazofunda something.
Sanibonani molweni, welcome to another episode of TVC Gauteng. Igama uZamambo Mkhize owaziwa ngoZamzukwana Closet on the social streets. Siyabonga kakhulu to everyone who has subscribed to our channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome and isicela subscribe, it's absolutely free. Siyabonga again for always commenting on content here. To remember that when you comment, comments should be respectful, otherwise siyawa delete. Please share and like our content. Namhlanje ke I've got uBhuti ozosixoxela about a day that changed his life. But before I get deep into it, ngifuna yena kube uye onxoxela yonke.
So ilanga nonyaka bekuyi 18 zika November 1994. So sasine show eNkomazi. Ebeyibekwe yenye inhlangano nje ebeyiphethe ngaleso sikhathi leso. Sasijabulela inkululeko ukuthi si free from umbuso wabamhlophe. Okay. It was Saturday and bekuyilanga elihle nje like kupholile. Akushisi inkomazi indawo eshisayo like eshisayo impela. But we were happy because nje izulu belibafazi abadube inyama lipholile nje kahle. Nathi sijabulele ukuthi sikhonile ukungena kule nto leyana ukuthi basibizile kule show. Bewamaningi ama artists ebefuna ukuba lapho but awakhonanga kwakhethwa thina. So we were so excited ukuthi sizoba lapho and sizoziprove ukuthi sabobani. Okay, sifike lapho akube mnandi. Okay, mawufika like ubona like abantu sebakhona vela ngamakhula box nani thina basibeke endaweni yethu la sihleli khona. Uyafika ubona like ama colleagues wakho njani bafowethu like hug and whatever. Sijabulele nje ukuthi siya lapha na soziprove ukuthi sabobani. Sharp kwenzeke hayi nasi isikhathi sethu sokuthi socula ke ngaleso sikhathi leso sifike sicule kube mnandi. Okay, si excited after a show. Wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi khona la angeke ufike uphuzile showini. So kuba naleso sikhathi sokuthi sekuyi la elokishini sibiza uma buceda ukufihla umuntu bathi after tears. But kithi sama artist sekuba into yokuthi okay sicedile ukuperforma noma ngazitholela like some few drinks kuba mnandi. Okay, la sihleli khona sikuma VIP ngazi ngizothi VIP what but sikuma VIP nje. Sifike sihlale ke lapho sizijabulise. Then comes a guy uya ku sister. Ugcoke kahle uBhuti. Okay. Uzilabelile kahle. Kube into ukuthi okay phela ngeke uze ube nomona ukuthi akusintombi yakho lo muntu loyo. Abakhulume ke kube yile nto le sebanale moment yabo aside from Tina. Tina sihlelele ke ngale as like some other members like namantombazane nabafana like sibaningi nje. Ayikwenzeke like ukuthi into yabo ngathi seyashesha in such a way ukuthi yabo sekuyacatshuzwana khona lapho. I don't see nothing wrong with that. But sekuyacatshuzwana, she hardly knew a guy. Akamazi lo muntu ekuqala. So kube khona into ethi kimi ngiye ngiyomtshela ukuthi Ntombi ngathi uyashesha laphana. Mara ngibambe ngoba ngibona ngathi uzothi nginomona. And yet sekasibonisile like ukuthi okay ngathi uyamfrustana untanga. Okay, ayikhamba isikhathi nyana like inkathi bekwabo 10 ebusuku. Kwenzeke ukuthi sekumele khanjwe manje. Angisho i-show it was around about 7 khona lapho. Kuleso stadium besikuso. So le after party like ebesiyenza. Kwenzeka ukuthi manje sekumele khanjwe like ngaboma past 10 to 11. Sisi ngiyakuye ngiyomtshela sisi izinto zethu sezilungile ngale sesingahamba. Athi hayi mina ngihamba noGayi. Uhamba noGayi kanjani sisi ngoba uyaqala ukumbona lo muntu uyamazi ukuthi ubani uhlalaphi kwenzakalani. Abone ngathi ngiba nomona for ukuthi maybe ngithi khumbula ukuthi besizeleni konjalana. Angisho nefone. Mnikeza amanamba wakho kusasa akhone ukukufonela nichubekise kanjalo sewuyazi ukuthi nihlangana kuphi or kwenzakalani. Not like first time nje uqala ukumbona. Angithi uma ngimtshela lonto leyo angayizwisisi. Okay, ukungazwisisi ayikho into engizoyenza phela umuntu like mdala futhi angeke ngize ngimdonse ngenkani. Hayi sister as long as like uzoba sharp iba sharp. Hayi kwenzeke ke thina siphume sihambe siziyela khona sibuyele emakhaya. Baqhubeke ke bona ngalento bebayichubekisa esingayazi ngoba sisayibonanga. Lidlula ilanga lele besikulo le Saturday. Sunday ngabo 1 receive call eyokuthi bathole usister esigangeni. Shukuthi kumele size so identify like ukuthi uye na or something. Okay, as a band vele like ama members suke siye lapho so bheka like whatever like so bheka umzimba kahle ukuthi yiwo na. Ukufika kwethu nje kuleso siganga sibone ngesicathulo esi1 ukuthi uye usisi. Uma sombona ubebhoreke Samuel la avulekile. So ubhlungu esabuzwa that day ukuthi ngabe uma sengifila mina ngi1 ukuthi ngabe ngimane ngamdonsa ngenkani. But that was going to be abuse kuye. Ngoba le muntu bengamazi. Uheho ile mali. O angazi ngizothi kube yini or bese kabona impumelelo kule muntu kanti impumelelo yakhe ila emculweni. Ila emculweni ngabe umamele thina ngibeke njengokuthi ukuthatha isikhathi ukumaza umuntu kubalekile. Awuveli nje udobhe umuntu ozothi uyamthola namhlanje right for wena or naku ubona imoto kanti isiqu sakhe wena usazi ukuthi umuntu onjani. So believe you me like mina the way ngimbona ngakhona la muntu ngizibonela ipervert kahle not ukuthi ngibona ipervert uyipervert ngoba akekho umuntu odlwengula intombazana ayibulale ukuthi unazozo umuntu bakangafuna kafuni. Psycho. Psycho. Umuntu mayengafuna kafuni. Ningamane uyakhona ukulala nomuntu endaweni eyi1. Ungamenzanga lutho. Uma engafuna kafuni. So ukuthi angaze athathe umphefumulo wale ntombazane like that was very the way awuthathe ngakhona futhi. Kukuthi bekambukele. I think wonke umuntu if umuntu talented you can see like you can feel italent lo muntu. That girl like bekathi uma kangena ipresence yakhe nje stage beyiba nemfudumalo. But ngelanga eli1 nje iyaluzeka lonto leyo. Ngenxa yomuntu sisi ongakhoni ukuyibamba. So okuba bhlungu kimi engingakusho nje ukuthi ngiyazi ngangisambona, and may her soul rest in peace anyway. Lento ibuye ukuthi ngitshele abanye abantu ukuthi anofunda ukulinda. Ukulinda kunempumelelo. Ukulinda kunokukhanya. Awuveli kuwo wonke umuntu noma umuntu onemali ayivelanga yavela nje imali. Ibe nokulinda phakathi. Onempumelelo ya anything, maybe uyacula or wenzani, ibe nokulinda, kumele urehearse, ubhale khani uzokhipha lento seyivuthiwe. So uma ngithi ukulinda, awuveli uhlangane nomuntu bese uhamba naye. Ubeka impilo yakho engcupheni ngento engekho. Awumaze kokucala ukunikeza inkinga at the end of the day. So ngamluza usisi ngenxa yomuntu nje I can't even like now angazi ukuthi waboshwa lo muntu loyo or ngoba nathi besingamazi.
Nambona kayiwani.
Sambona kayiwani ngalelo langa lelo ukuthi uzom-identify kanjani because kwayimoto ebekahamba ngayo. Awuzange wathatha inumber plate yayo. Akufikanga like the way bekangakhona uGayi ukuthi yena ubukeka awumuntu o standard kwabona. Kanti ngaphakathi lakhe alikho right. Libolile ngaphakathi lakhe. So kuwo wonke umuntu whether angeke ngize ngibeke ukuthi owesilisa or owesifazane. Anything which is too good to be true kumele uyibhekisise. Ngoba kukhona abafazi abayenzayo lento le abakidnap amadoda. Khona amadoda kidnap abafazi. So into nje oyibonayo ukuthi ngakubekela ngento eyi1 esikhathini samanje. Akunamuntu ongafika kuthengela ama strawberries maybe ay15. Ubaluleke ngani kumele uyibuze lokho. Iba imalini kokucala lento le. Uzophuza into maybe A1 ebiza 80 rand or 90 rand ukuthengela 15 yawo. Ubaluleke ngani wena? Uma uceda uhamba nalo muntu loyo awumazi nokumazi kokucala. So ukugawula sibheke kubalulekile. Manje yonke into isimple. Kunama phone. You can exchange ama numbers. Uhamba nabangani bakho. Qhubeka nabangani bakho nicedeni ilanga la kahle. Kusasa uza kufonela. Uma imisele ngawe iaddress yakho uyayazi uzoza kini. Leyo mathwalana like same day like seniyahamba awumazi lo muntu loyo. Umngani wami wayiluza kanjalo impilo engengisambona futhi. Kubhlungu ebazalini bakhe I think it's worse. Because uma ngithi ngiyacheka uye umuntu bebabheke ukuthi uzokhuphula ikhaya. Kodwa kwenzakalanga. Ubefundile usisi ane talent. Angazi manje ngabe ukuphi ngempilo eqinisweni sisi. If bekasaphila I believe maybe like your next Brenda Fassie or something the way like bekangakhona kodwa kwenzakalanga ngenxa yomuntu oyi1.
Yeah, I think it's very important that we take accountability as abantu and sibhekelane, especially if sazi ukuthi sihamba sonke. Ubhuti has advised you and hopefully you have learned ukuthi ayikho into ezalula empilweni and kubhlungu to lose someone obo close naye, you know. And I know there's other people who have probably lost abantu ababathandayo through izinto ezisimilar, and it's always been said ukuthi ibani careful guys, into eyenzeke from dala 94 it still happens namanje ngo2026. So siyacela ke emakhaya, please take care of yourselves and nenzeni show ukuthi mani hamba as a group, you come back as a group. If you have any story to share with us, because I know there's people who would like to share their stories, you can contact the number on the screen. Siyabonga kakhulu Bhuti for sharing your heartfelt story. Sibhlungu kakhulu, especially losing umuntu ngalendlela, you know, omluze ngayo. Siyabonga kakhulu for tuning in kule episode. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.